Hello, I'm Elspeth Ritchie, and I attended the first BIOPRO World Talent Campus.
Through BioPro Camp, I could know the bio-based companies in Denmark, what they do, what they need. Yeah, I have been interested in them because there are not many bio-based company in Korea. So this provided the opportunity to work on the project with one of them. Especially visiting the companies and doing case work related to the practical problem or the best. It makes me think about my research direction and my career after graduation.
The tools and techniques that I learned during my research and from events such as BioPro have proven to be very transferable. And it's not just the hard tools and techniques, the coding and data analysis, soft techniques as well.
Learned in BioPro has been really helpful to me in my career. I teach courses in biochemical engineering and I sponsor student research. So my students are definitely interested in working in the bioprocess industry. And I've been able to pass along a lot of what I learned at the BioPro workshop onto my students.
Talent Campus, I'm a bit of an oddball. I come from an unrelated field, and I personally felt it was quite enriching to have all these people from different areas or related areas working on a common project and trying to find a feasible industrial solution. From the long-term perspective, I think BioPro helped me see how huge some of these Danish industries are, well, I think their commitment also, was showing how they're committed there to innovation and how committed they are to sustainable engineering. Coming to World Talent Campus and seeing some of these facilities, you appreciate why a chemical engineer or where a chemical engineer might fit into the grand scheme of things and how we might be able to integrate and optimize the processes.
It's a really great way to form a network in the biotechnology industry and to make some great connections there, as well as to get exposure to some really interesting and relevant topics in bioprocess engineering.
I participated in BioPro World Talent Campus in August 2015. I thoroughly enjoyed the event as the week was a perfect combination of interesting lectures and workshops balanced throughout by fun and social activities.
So I think I have a personal connection with most of the participants. So we in fact keep contact on Facebook. We sometimes write emails. And personally, I think it helps quite a bit because you know them personally, so it's much easier to ask them for something or to get their opinion. They're much more open, and it helps to have a face and a person or a personality behind the emails.
I'm also in contact with the majority of the organisers of BioPro World Talent Campus through ResearchGate and LinkedIn.
Yes, now I'm working with Professor Jakob at DTU. And I'm keeping touch with some friends. I hope we will meet again.
And hopefully in the future, I can arrange some collaborations.
A potential future collaboration will be of interest to myself and my supervisor, Susan Farrad at University College London.
Well, of course, I accepted a position at BioPro, which I don't think I would have done if I haven't been to World Talent Campus.
It's a really great way to form a network in the biotechnology industry and to make some great connections there, as well as to get exposure to some really interesting and relevant topics in bioprocess engineering that will certainly be useful, whether they directly affect your research or whether it's just being able to have meaningful conversations with those currently working in industry and understand some of the problems that we're facing in the biotechnology industry today.
Definitely, I would encourage other students to attend the BioPro World Talent Campus as it was a big boost in my career. I learned a lot and it was also a very enjoyable experience.
I highly recommend the BioPro Camp to students who research on the bioprocess and bioengineering, etc. Hope you have a great time in BioPro World Talent Campus.
So please enjoy this week and enjoy Denmark.